guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest Louis Vuitton bag collection. I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know. Yes, from names, prices, product codes, SKU, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptops to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramirafy2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so we are going to discuss the men's fall winter 2025 runway collection launching August 7th. First, we have Keepall 50. For this one, the price is 4,550 USD. From the May Scribble collection, so the material of this one is with the graffiti front and back with cowhide leather trims, detachable leather strap, and bag charm, as we could see here. Next on the collection, so we have Horizon 55. Price of this one is 5,450 USD. We have SKU here, still from the men's fall winter 2025 collection. So this is the interior. It comes of course with the May Scribble graffiti style. Oh, I see there is Louis Vuitton. There's Tokyo, so that's the first time that I'm seeing it as well. So what do you think of the May Scribble, guys? So this one is actually really cute. So shopper tote Price of this one is 4,500 euro. We have SKU here. Still same material. So this is the close-up look. So it comes of course with detachable crossbody leather strap, and it comes with a bag tag as well, as we could see here. So there are different city that I could see. So there's Tokyo, there's Paris. I love of course the graffiti writing of the Louis Vuitton logo. This one I super love, guys, and I truly adore. So we have the Speedy P9. Unfortunately, the price is really expensive at 15,000. That is in euros, guys. So the material of course of this one would be fine or refined calfskin leather. Of course, it would come with detachable leather strap, bag charm, and crossbody strap. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code RAMIROFY. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Alright, so next on the collection, so we have the Steamer 40, still from the men's fall winter 2025 runway collection. Price of this one is 10,000 USD. We have SKU here, so this is the interior. So the Steamer 40, as I mentioned previously, kind of reminds me of a Hermes Birkin bag. And to be honest, if I'm not mistaken, the Steamer style is one of the archival design, which is older and predates the Hermes Birkin. Again, guys, I could be wrong on this one. So next we have the Keepall size 50. Price of this one is 7,200 USD. So the material of this one from the monogram workwear collection is a tricolor calfskin leather with monogram, and of course it would come with cowhide leather trims. You are going to see, guys, here zooming in, we could see the monogram on the mocha colored or the lighter colored leather. So next we have, guys, Moncerise cargo backpack. Price of this one is 28,000 euros. Super expensive, and the reason for this one is because it comes with exotic ostrich leather and it comes with cowhide leather trims. But I'm seeing here that the ostrich leather is just the flap of the bag, which I find it peculiar that the price is 28,000 euro. So this one, guys, Steamer 40. So this is part of the exotic collection. So As we could see, the price is 32,000 euro. SKUN 89286. Material is ostrich leather. So this one, the main body is made of ostrich. I love, of course, the cargo pocket of this steamer bag. Alright, so next on the collection, so we have the Speedy 40. So this one, guys, would be mostly exotic leather. So price of this one is 28,000 euro. We have SKU here. Material is ostrich leather with cowhide leather trims. It would come with adjustable and detachable leather strap. It would come with bag tag, key clochette, lock, and key. So guys, it would still be launching August 7th, 2025. Next, guys, super cute Speedy 25. I love the cognac colorway of this one. Price is a little bit expensive at 18,000 euro. We have SKU here. Material, the main body of the Speedy 25 is ostrich leather, and it would come with cowhide leather trims. As you can see, it still come with the same feature. So gunmetal hardware, detachable and adjustable leather strap, bag tag, key clochette, lock, and keys. This one, amazing, super cute Speedy 18. Price, it's 11,500 euro. We have SKU here. So this is the close-up. So as you can see, the entirety of the body is ostrich leather. There is a plaque, like a gold plaque on the side of the Speedy 18, and then it comes with the D-ring. I believe you could add charms on that one, and I believe the logo, zooming in, it says Louis Vuitton. Then another Speedy 18. Price of this one is 29,500 euros. So if you are fancying a exotic croc leather Speedy, then this could be it. The size is very cute. So this is the close-up of the logo. Of course, it would come with detachable leather strap. It would come with croc leather bag tag as well. So love the colorway of the light blue croc skin. So it would also come in the shopper tote size PM. Price of this one is 45,000 euro. We have SKU here and 89133. So this is the close-up look of this one. So croc leather with cowhide leather trims. So this one, of course, would come with fully detachable crossbody leather strap, and the Louis Vuitton logo, guys, is raised or embossed, so you could actually feel it when you're touching it. Then, guys, so we have the very beautiful colorway soft trunk mini. Price of this one is 3,400 euro. We have SKU here from the men's fall winter 2025 runway collection. So it is like a dame prints that Pharrell actually popularized when he became the creative director. So it comes, of course, with pink hardware as well. Then we have the Speedy P9 bandolier. Price of this one is 11,000 euro. We have SKU here. Material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trim. So this is the print of the Speedy P9 bandolier. So this would be launching August 7, 2025. So this is the full look. Comes with detachable leather strap and accessories as well. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the bag selection that I have showcased for today, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and sighting tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!